You post every day. You show up. You stay consistent. But no one's clicking. No one's DMing. No one's converting. It's not that your content is bad. It's that your content isn't built to convert. Let's fix that. Section 1. Why good content still fails. Here's the truth no one tells agents. Posting daily is not the same as marketing. If your content doesn't make people stop, trust you, or want to know more, you're just keeping busy. Pretty pictures and trending audio get likes, but they don't get listings, especially in a saturated market like South Florida. Section 2. What converting content actually looks like. Content that converts doesn't just look good. It solves a problem. It starts a conversation. It answers things like, what can you get under $400,000 in Hollywood? What's changing with condo reserves in 2025? What can a first-time buyer do today with low savings? And here's the good part. You don't have to record a podcast or write a blog every week. You just need the right system. Now I will tell you what we do for you. At Brand Locally, we turn your voice into visibility. You send us a raw video, a selfie explaining a buyer concern, or even a 2-line voice note. We build you. Reels with your voice and vibe. Carousels with clear education. Captions that convert, everything optimized by platform. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, so your content reaches the right people, the right way. If you're showing up but nothing's showing up for you, let's change that. Drop consistent converts in the comments or tap the link below. We'll turn your ideas into a weekly content system that builds trust, grows engagement, and gets you the leads your hard work deserves. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.